That's fine.
That came on?
I wonder if that was already on. Did you ever notice that already on?
That was never on.
Okay.
We gotta, unless you want to take it up there now.
How can? Yeah. I'm scared.
I can take it up there then.
All right.
How does it feel?
Fine.
This was the moment I knew that I had messed up. We were talking about taking her bike up to Wild Motorsports, but unfortunately they were closed today for Veterans Day.
I thought you was gonna stay behind me. What are you doing? I don't care.
So sometimes I do get caught up in, riding when I'm with someone else. But I did realize, wifey only been riding for maybe a couple months. I've got a lot more time than she does. But the bike did get home safe. Wild Motorsports was closed due to Veterans Day. Watch out for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.